Hello, my name is Tanay Tiwari and welcome to Buzz This Week, the only consistent thing in a week जहाँ रोनाल्डो ने 3 बार जर्सी बदल ली। इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम ने फैंस के वक्त, हालात, जज्बात सब पलट दिए 1 घंटे में। I mean, from going to a fight at Headingley, they went okay tata good night at Headingley in just 1 hour. But हम consistent हैं, अपना ऐसा ही है। On the show this week, England leads the way. IPL 2021 ins and outs. Pakistan cricket's new boss, and Russell goes berserk. If you're a Manchester City fan or an Indian cricket fan in the week gone by, you've perhaps looked at disappointment and said, "Arey disappointment? Tum kab aaye?" And disappointment is like,
सबसे पहले मैं ही आया.
especially for Indian cricket fans. I mean, Virat Kohli won the toss at Headingley and you said, wow, finally a toss won. India will carry forward the momentum from Lords. And then on day 1, they were all out for 78. On day 2, Joe Root piled on India's misery. They gained a huge lead. On day 3, though, India pulled things back. They fought. Pujara fought. Kohli fought. They were out there. And you thought, maybe this Indian team can pull this one off too. And then on the morning of day 4, फिर वही कहानी. They lost 8 wickets for 63 and lost the game by an innings and 76 runs. And it's not like that this defeat
बुरा लगता है भाई.
is without any headaches for Captain Kohli. There are headaches for him as a batsman because he's gotten out 5 times in this series. All 5 times he's edged the ball outside his off stump and has been caught behind the wickets. Then there is Ajinkya Rahane, who's been struggling to keep up with form. His consistency has been under question for a while. Then there are 413 wickets waiting on the bench. Ravichandran Ashwin's inclusion has to be a question mark come the next test. What do you think is India's biggest headache coming out of this Headingley test? Tell us using hashtag Buzz This Week on Twitter. आपसे ही कह रहा हूँ. आइए, let's get some conversation started. Headaches have been going around in IPL circuits too. I mean, itne replacements, itne pullouts, it's difficult to keep a track on it. Similarly, as it is difficult to keep a track on Instagram Reel trends. वैसे वो तो मैंने ace कर लिया. I mean, the latest trend कि I don't believe in soulmates, but तेरी पुराना हो गया. Anyway, हमारी news नहीं है. सारी न्यूज़ आपको बताते हैं to keep you up to date. See, Tim Southee is joining the KKR ranks as a replacement for Pat Cummins, who will not fly to the UAE. Adil Rashid will join the Punjab Kings camp as a replacement for Jai Richardson, who will also not fly to the UAE. RCB have also completed their squad as they've signed up English left-arm pacer George Garton. Remember, they'd already signed Vanindu Hasaranga, Dushmantha Chamira and Tim David, so that completes their list of replacements for the remainder of IPL 2021 season. As for Andrew Tye, he will also not fly to the UAE, which means the Rajasthan Royals have announced the world's #1 T20I bowler Tabriz Shamsi as a replacement for Tye, and he will join their squad in the UAE. देखो जी, इतना आसान था, आप अपडेट भी हो गए, है ना? बस ऐसा ही कोई तरीका निकालना है Instagram Reels ट्रेंड से भी अपडेटेड रहने का. है क्या आपके पास कोई? There's a new update rolling in at the PCB as well. Their former cricketer Ramiz Raja is all set to become the chairman of the PCB after he met the Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan and Imran Khan nominated him for that post. There will be a change of guard from now the former chairman of the PCB Ehsan Mani to Ramiz Raja. Ramiz Raja spoke exclusively to CricBuzz and told that he wants to take Pakistan cricket forward and drive them towards excellence. Although there is a bit of a process between Ramiz Raja becoming the chairperson and his nomination. His nomination will go to a board of governors in the PCB, wherein if anyone else wants to nominate another member, then there will be an election. But that doesn't really happen in the PCB. If a name has been suggested by the Prime Minister of Pakistan, it stays, which means the path to being the chairperson of the Pakistan Cricket Board is largely clear for Ramiz Raja, as are congratulatory messages from all of us here. When they say mayhem in T20 cricket, they must be referring to games like the one between Jamaican Tallawahs and the St. Lucia Kings in the CPL. Remember, St. Lucia Kings is now owned by the owners of Punjab Kings in the IPL, but that doesn't seem to be changing their fortunes this season. They bowled 14 wides, 7 no-balls in that game, which meant that they completed their stipulated quota of 20 overs in 2 hours. But overrate wasn't their biggest problem. Their biggest problem was an onslaught from the Jamaican Tallawahs batsmen, led by Andre Russell, who hit a 14-ball half-century, the fastest in CPL history. The Jamaican Talawas went up to 255 in their 20 overs, the second highest score in the history of CPL. In response, Kings came out and hit 14 of their first 3 balls, but then it was a downward slide thereafter. They lost the game by a whopping margin of 120 runs. But Andre Russell may just have shown that once come the IPL, Sharjah में ना आप उनका इंतजार जरूर करना. Before we sign off though, here's wishing the best of wishes for the speediest of recoveries to former New Zealand all-rounder Chris Gaines, who's now been left paralysed after suffering a stroke during a heart operation and faces a long road to recovery per his family. Our best wishes are with him and his family always. Your buzz challenge this week has to be this. Do India make changes in that 4th test at the Oval? I'll go first. I think yes. I'll make 2 changes. One, with a heavy heart, I will sit Ajinkya Rahane out and get Hanuma Vihari in. Second, I will find somehow a place for Ravichandran Ashwin in that 11. Would your changes look different? Tell us using hashtag Buzz this week. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. हर बार बताता हूँ. भेज दो बस. That's all that we have for you on this episode of Buzz This Week. Until next week, Ronaldo के नए Manchester United jersey का कुछ जुगाड़ हो तो hit me up. You know where to find me.